back to my channel. This is a girl Kushali, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video. Okay, I know it's been a long time, but it's okay. And I'm here with a haul video. मतलब अभी सेल चल रहा था. I thought के मतलब मैंने ऐसे इटर बिटर चिटर कर के मैंने थिंग्स बाय की थी सेल में से, तो I thought के कलेक्टिव हॉल कर लेती हूँ. So here I am. So let's get started. Okay, so I have bought things from Forever 21. मतलब ऐसे तो हम कभी बाय नहीं करते, बट उस दिन मेरी और मेरी बुआ का मन हुआ तो हम Forever 21 में चले गए और वी लाइक समथिंग तो हमने ले लिया. देन Zara, H&M. बस ज़्यादातर मैंने H&M से लिया है. Zara से तो भाई मेरा बैंक अकाउंट खाली हो जाता है अगर मैं शॉप करती हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं नहीं करती उतना शॉप Zara से, पर इस टाइम सेल था तो मैंने ले लिया है. एंड Forever 21. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. जहाँ से मैंने लीस्ट बाय किया है Forever 21. So I bought this top from there. It's like kind of a sports bra kind of top, but it's really cute जब आप पहनोगे. And this is the back, उसका back है ये. And it is priced for 1199, and in sale I got it for 699 or 599 something. And it is really cute. You can style it with high-waisted pants of like lavender or white or off-white color, and with boots or heels and some accessories. It will look quite nice. So this is the first thing I bought. Okay, so now we'll do Zara. So from Zara I brought two dresses. One is like midi sort of, and second one is like a short dress. So this is the midi dress kind of length. Okay, and the neckline is really sexy or hot types. Like you can pull this string. This is the string given over here. It is like this normally. You can pull it and make it how much deep or something you want to make it. So it will look really nice. They also had a brown color in this, but the pattern of this the strips were different. It was kind of spaghetti type, but the fit of this was really nice, and the print is also nice, the color and everything. And I bought this basically because you can style in both the seasons, like summer and winter both. In winter you can put on a trench coat, boots, heels and accessories and style it, and in summer you can wear it as it is. And if you don't wear sleeveless, you can wear something like a sheer type of jacket with it, so it will look very nice. So आप वैसे पहन सकते हो इसको. And the Forever 21 top was also in S size for me, and this is also in S size, and it is originally priced for 2590 and sale price is 1590. So they have basically reduced 1000 rupees in everything. मीन्स मैंने जो खरीदा है उसमें तो वैसा ही है, दूसरा फिर आई हैव नो आइडिया, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट परचेज फ्रॉम Zara एंड इट इज रियली नाइस. और अब मैंने कर लिया, मतलब मेरी बुआ ने मुझे कन्विंस कर लिया कि कर ले, अदरवाइज आई वाज नॉट गोना स्पेंड दिस मच इन Zara. इट इज लाइक टू मच फॉर मी. ओके, सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, द सेकेंड वन विच आई बॉट फ्रॉम Zara इज अ शॉर्ट ड्रेस. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. या, सो दिस इज द वन. This is the short dress which I bought. It is like really cute. It has this like churidar sleeves with shoulder pads, so it will give a nice structure to your body. And the back is really sexy. It's a whole open sort of back. And नीचे also वो लोग ने थोड़ा detail दिया है, like a ruched detail. So it is very nice. Here also at the hip area it is detailed. So it is looking very nice and hot, I feel. And this is also size small, and it is for 2990 originally, and in sale it is for 1990. As I said, they have reduced $1000 in everything, means particularly what I brought. And this also you can style in winter and summer both. This with what we say, like a stockings and boots for winter, like a coat if you want to put, or a poncho type of thing above it. And in summers you can wear as it is with the heels or something, so it will look really nice. Okay, so now moving forward to H&M. तो मैंने Zara और वहाँ से like I've taken more of dressy kind of top जो हम parties या किधर बाहर जाए तो पहने type of. And in H&M I've taken like basics and also some dressy type of thing, but more of basics. So this is the first thing. It is a legging. It's like an ankle length, ankle से भी थोड़ा ऊपर है, and it's high waisted. It's like very comfortable to wear in everyday basis with a t-shirt or a long shirt and pair it like that. It's in size small, and it was for 599 in sale, And then the second thing which I've taken is, originally I don't remember what it was priced. I think it was for 1299 or 1499, like basic pricing things, but I don't remember what it really was. The second thing which I bought is this halter neck top, like halter neck collared top. It looks like really cute. जब आप पहनोगे उसको ऐसे तो आपको लगेगा कि कुछ भी है sort of. And the back is like this because halter में वैसा ही होता है, like this. This is also my अच्छा, this is extra small for me, and this was for 699 I feel in sale. I don't, या तो इस पे सेल था ही नहीं, ऐसा कुछ था. I don't remember. I think पर इसका प्राइस 699 है, वो सेल में था कि नहीं था, I don't remember. And then I bought this 2 biker shorts. It is a set of 2. It came for like 799 in sale, I feel. This is like a cute sage green sort of color, and it is in rib knit fabric. This is like a plain cotton fabric, black color. This is like really trendy अभी. आप उसको long t-shirts के साथ, then shirts and everything, then boots, नीचे boots हो गए, sneakers हो गए, converse हो गए, ऐसे सब चीज़ों के साथ style कर सकते हो, and it will look really cute. Then the last thing which I bought from H&M is this dress. It's again a halter neck dress. Then it has cuts over here. This is for me. And it's cuts over here like this. And the back is like this, as you can see. And it is also a midi sort of dress. Size is extra small, and it is originally priced for 1499. And in sale it is for 799. That's it. And the color I liked because it is like a beige nude sort of color, like greyish beige sort of color, and I liked it. अभी orange lighting की वजह से इतना color आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा, but this is a different color in reality. And this also you can style in winter and summer both with, as I said, with boots, trench coat, या फिर poncho पहन के you can style it with some accessories and everything, and it will look really nice. So that's it for H&M. And I know we are doing like haul, like sale haul video, but I've also bought 2-3 t-shirts from Bandra Hill Road. So I was like, चलो दिखाई देती हूँ ये वीडियो में, तो wait a second. Okay, so I've also bought this 2 cute neck pieces. If you can see, it's like really nice. They are like 50 each or 60 each. He was quoting more, but I bought it for that much. So these are the 2 neck pieces. This is like in a transparent type of thing, and this is in a normal bead sort of. So they are really cute to style with like a full neck top and over it. I feel उसपे और normal भी necklines पे can style it. Then this is the first t-shirt which I bought. They are basically for only 200, and I like the tie-dye done over it. So I was like, it's really cool, and the color were also when actually ये print है ना, वो मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Means it is not out in your face that much, but it's a print over there. It's not a plain t-shirt, so I bought. It's for 200. This is for me, and it was in size small or medium something. And this is the other one. This is also really cute. The print I really liked, and the color main basically. And this is also in size small, and it is for 200 again. But the only thing, जो एक चीज जो मैंने नहीं देखी जब मैं ये ले रही थी, oh shit, was this tag. It's not removed. और फिर उसके बाद story happened. उसके बाद मैं गई थी Pantaloons because I was also working on that day, like sourcing and everything. So I had to buy some things from Pantaloons. तो मैं उसी दिन Pantaloons भी गई थी, and it started like वो जो entrance पे जो रहता है, they started like making noise. I was like, I have not taken anything yet from Pantaloons. ये क्यों हो रहा है? Then the watchman over there said that soft tag होगा, but जब मैंने घर आके देखा soft tag नहीं है, ये है. इसको soft tag नहीं बोलते ना. I feel that the tags उसमें जिसमें markings होती है उसको soft tag बोलते हैं. So, but now I will find out a way to remove it. Of course, let's see. Okay, and this is the last thing which I bought from Bandra Hill Road. It's a t-shirt. It's a L size t-shirt, and it's of course not for me. They have pocket over here, and it's written inspired, like it's embroidered inspired. and the fabric is also thick and very nice. The color is like really beautiful. It's like a mint green sort of color, so I liked it. Okay, so that's it for the video. I feel that you should also go and shop from Zara, H&M and everything if you are a person who wants to shop but you wait till the sale time. So now it is your time to shop. Zara में it is not a sale kind of sale, means you cannot think के जो 3000 की चीज थी वो तुम्हें 1000 या 500 मिल जाएगी. Of course not. You will get it for 1500 or 2000 again. So that's it. But the quality is really nice of Zara and everything. So you can, I feel, can buy it in sale. It is at least lower than what it is originally. H&M is also quite nice, but it is more of a casual dressing. If you remove that there are satin dresses and everything, then it's more of a casual dressing. Zara is more of a party kind of going out kind of vibe, like that. So decide for yourself, but I think you should shop because now it's a sale time, so why not? Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icons to get notified whenever I post my new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.